This is a video on the MLG Primes on how to set separate zones and use 3 inputs out of them. This version only has 1 digital output. So I'll show how to set it up on the buttons here. You have to do this 3 times, but I'll do the rest of it on Sophos because I don't have that functionality. So I've got zone 1, zone 2, and zone 3 here. I'll go ahead and factory reset the sensor itself. And we'll get that from here. So once your factory reset, you can see that none of these lights are lighting up. And as I put them and I'll start to line them up, the bottom lights will start to light up when all 4 of them are lit up and they're lined up correctly. If I was wanting to set 3 different zones, the first zone I would set would be up here, and you have to put the target in front of it. And then what you'll do is once you put them there and you've got them taut, so all 4 lights are on, I teach them by pushing the set button, and now the MLGs are taut. The next thing you would do is we're going to come here just like the manual says, so I'll pull that up as well. And it says to start, we need to push the menu button, and right now it's on Q1, so I'm going to go ahead and push that down until now I'm on Q1. I'll push the menu button. Now the orange is flashing there, and I want height measurement, so I'll push set, and now it's on Q1, and I'll just push this until it comes down to the height measurement where it says LBB. You can see right now it's blinking on FBB. If I push it again, now the inverted signal, it also blinks. So what you'll need to do is go to height classification, and we don't want any kind of inversion, and then you just hit set is all you'll do. Mine's not happy with me because I don't have it lined up. So what we're going to do is do this with Sophos, but that's what you'll do with the buttons for each one of these. So now let's come back to Sophos engineering tool, and I'll factory reset these again. Now they're lined up, and they'll teach again. So now I've got those set, and what I'm going to do is take zone 1, 2, and 3 here. You see if I put it there now, factory default, it's going to be just present detection. Again, I'll factory reset it and read it from device, get the actual settings from it, and I'll kind of outputs, and everything is in present detection. So instead of me pushing the buttons on it, I'll just put the target at the first zone, which would be Q1, and I'll put height measurement. Now I'll move it to 2, and I'll put it in height measurement. Now I'll move it to 3, and then I'll put in the height measurement. Now you can see my Q1s and 2s are here. So as I move it up, right now Q3 is false and it's true and true. Move it up, I get all trues, and I move up to zone 2 and I get true, false, true. So you can see each one of those is reading something differently. So that's how you would take the 24-volt signals and spit it out, really just by running a truth table. So that way you can get 3 different zones out of the MLGs. If you're looking for a sample program on how that's done, I'll unhook these from the SI Link Master, and I'll connect them to my PLC. Now you can see I'm in zone 2, using that exact same truth logic. And I can show all 3 zones using 3 discrete signals. If you're hooked up over IO-Link, you both also get first block beam and last block beam. But that's how you're going to have to get 3 different zones out of the MLG Primes. Hope this helps, and let me know if you have any questions.